Good morning. I have no idea what this YouTube video is going to be, but I wanted to pick up my camera today and just record it. So yeah, my first class this morning got canceled because, well, our teacher didn't exactly say why. Our main teacher, our teacher for our tap class, is away doing a show. And we're supposed to have a substitute, like fill-in teacher come in, but I don't know, like maybe he couldn't come or something. So my first class today was canceled, and that's an 8 a.m. class, so my next class is 10:30, so I got to sleep in a little bit, which was nice. And now I'm going to make myself my magnesium, some coffee, brush my teeth, take my supplements, all that fun stuff. So yeah, let's just do that. So I don't really usually talk about what supplements I take, but I guess I can talk about it. This isn't me saying that you need to take these things. This is just what I take. So I take one vitamin D3 because a serving is 2,000 IU, and I only want to take 1,000 because my multivitamin also has vitamin D in it, so I don't want to like have too much. And my doctor said I could still do like half a dose of the vitamin D with this. So that's what I'm doing. And then I also take the Rituals Symbiotic, which is a prebiotic, probiotic, and postbiotic for my gut health because I have IBS and I just got off of antibiotics. I've been on antibiotics twice in like the past 6 months, so my gut was just feeling really off. So I'm gonna take these until I'm out of them, and my stomach is definitely feeling better. Like it's not, I don't feel like I'm gonna throw up every single time I eat, which is really nice. And I think that was just because the antibiotics had just really messing with my gut. So now I'm gonna make magnesium. And my magnesium is another supplement that I take. I take it twice a day. Again, this is not me telling you to take it, but I take it because it can help with period cramps, it can help with sleeping. I usually don't get enough magnesium in just with my daily diet, even though I have a really balanced diet. So again, my doctor recommended magnesium. So I take it twice a day. In the morning, I just have the magnesium itself. At night, I usually make it into an adrenal cocktail, which is just put my magnesium in with a source of potassium, whole food vitamin C, and sodium, which for me is usually lemon juice, coconut water, and sea salt. So that is what I do for that. And I'm just gonna mix this because I'm too impatient to let it fizzle itself. Also, I get the Calm magnesium supplement in the raspberry lemon flavor, and I just get it off of Amazon. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make my coffee and my breakfast. Actually, I'm gonna make my coffee, I'm gonna pack my lunch for school, and then I'm gonna make my breakfast. I will be back when I'm packing my lunch for school. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys real quick how I'm making my lunch. I got a bagel at Bagel Market. I made a little short video about it on my Instagram if you want to go see what I got. But basically, I'm making a bagel inspired by what I got there. So I have the Trader Joe's onion and chive cream cheese spread. And then I got a bag of, I just got 3 of their like really big artisan everything bagels. I need to. And I'm just gonna make myself a bagel sandwich to take with me to class. And this is my beautiful bagel. And I'm going to spread some cream cheese on both sides. This cream cheese is really good, by the way. Like, it's delicious. And then I have just a little tomato that I'm just gonna cut up real quick. I'm gonna put this on the bottom bagel, bottom half of the bagel. Sometimes I do egg whites, sometimes I do eggs and egg whites, but today I just decided to do egg whites because it was quick. This is really thick. I do like 1/3 of a carton of egg whites, of the little cartons from Trader Joe's. I did like 1/3 of this. And then some salt and pepper. And then I'm gonna take the Trader Joe's balsamic glaze and just drizzle that on there. No rhyme or reason, just kind of eyeballing it to whatever I feel. And then I'm just gonna wrap it up and put it in a Ziploc bag and take it with me to class. It's so cute, like a little baby, the warm little baby. Anyways, I'm gonna get dressed and make my breakfast and finish making my coffee, and I'll be back. Okay, I have all my stuff and I'm gonna head to class, and I have a really busy day today. One of my classes got canceled, so I actually only have 6 hours of class rather than 8, but I have 6 hours of class, and then I'm gonna go to the gym, and then I have to do a bunch of stuff tonight. So I'm just gonna try to take you guys with me for what I can and see what happens. Okay, I haven't really picked up my phone much this morning yet because I just went to the ER and had to go get medicine. I also picked up myself a Gatorade. Not doing too great, but I'll talk about that later. Right now I have to go get myself some breakfast and head back to school because I missed my first class, but I'm still gonna show up for the rest of my classes today.
I need to leave the house at my apartment at...
Okay, hi. I kind of wanted to just come in here, I don't know, this might take a couple of minutes, and sit down and chat with you and talk to you about things that are going on currently in my life and what I'm dealing with, because I try to be very open on this channel and on all of my platforms about how I'm doing. And I want to let people know that while yes, people can be having a good time or be feeling happy, when you're dealing with mental health, you can still have things that you were dealing with in the background. You can have moments of those highs and feeling good, but that doesn't mean that you don't have this underlying feeling of depression or anxiety or panic or worry or not feeling good enough to be around, things like that. So basically, I've been dealing with that a lot recently. The past couple months, I feel like my mental health has slowly been declining, and it's just been really hard for me because I feel like over the past 2 years I've been really working on bettering my mental health, and I've had a lot of growth. So seeing like a dip in my mental health right now has just been really hard for me to kind of navigate and accept. So I'm going to be working with my therapist and possibly a psychiatrist. I think I'm going to go into weekly therapy rather than every other week, and I'm possibly thinking about trying medication again. I will update you guys on that. I'll also probably talk about that on my podcast episode. But basically, I've just been dealing with a lot of thoughts of like not having self-worth and just a lot of depressing thoughts, panic attacks, and just feeling like people are upset at me when I've done nothing wrong, and they clearly are not upset at me, but my brain turns it into something that it is not. So it's just a lot of internal things. There's not anything happening outside of me that is triggering me to feel this way. This is all just internal beliefs and things that are happening within my own self. And I just want to be honest with you guys and let you know that yes, I am struggling, but I'm also going to continue to show up for myself as best as I can. I'm really struggling right now to show up for myself. It's been very hard to continue to push through and do things for myself that I know will help my mental health in the long run. I just have to keep reminding myself that if I don't do it for myself, you know, who is going to? Because at the end of the day, it's just me and me taking care of myself. And obviously I have people to lean on. I have my boyfriend, I have my parents, I have my brother, I have all my friends, I have family, like I have people I can go to, but the only person that really is in control is me. So it's just a matter of like trying to figure out where I'm gonna go from here and what's gonna be happening. So I just wanted to update you guys on that, let you know that like I'm okay. I've been posting, trying to keep you guys updated on my stories on Instagram about how things are going, but this is just trying to give you a little bit more context for that. Yeah, I'm having a pretty rough time. Yesterday I stopped vlogging about halfway through the day just because I had multiple panic attacks and I was just trying to get through the rest of the day without freaking out. I did record a clip of me like going to the gym. That was after I had had my panic attack and my class that I needed to go to, and I decided I was gonna go to the gym to see if it helped a little bit. Well, yes, it kept me distracted and I definitely felt happy that I did it. It's not having as much of an effect as it usually does on my mental health, so I think that there's more underlying problems happening that I just need to get figured out for myself. So I'll make sure to keep you guys updated. And sorry if that was a little bit of a ramble and you didn't want to hear about that, but really my page is here to be realistic and keep you guys informed on like things that can happen to people and like what we go through, like people that deal with mental health issues. I'm sure there are plenty of people that are watching this that relate to this and just having that feeling of like wanting to help yourself but also feeling stuck and not really knowing exactly what it is you need to do and being scared to ask for help or to take steps backwards before going forward. So yeah, that's enough rambling. I have therapy in about 20-ish minutes, so I'm going to get kind of mentally prepared for that, and I will talk to you guys when I talk to you again. So I just ate dinner, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't really feel like being on camera much right now, so I think I might just end this vlog here. I was gonna vlog another day, but I just think that this week it's just really not a good week for me to have a camera in front of my face. So I'm sorry that this video was a little bit all over the place and kind of shorter and not very, it didn't really show a lot because I was not in front of my camera for a decent amount of the video. But I did want to come on here and say I just tried cranberry juice. I did not know that I like cranberry juice. It's sour, but it's good. So anyways, with all that being said, I'm just gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching, especially if you stayed till the end. And if you did like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Also turn on post notifications so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.